Welcome back once again. In this part, we will learn how can we design our layout. So for doing this, first we need to create a new project and we can call it Android layout, Android layout design. Next, select empty activity and finish. Alright, now we need to design our layout. So open activity main, and remove this text view. And remove this constant layout and add linear layout. And first we need to add layout resource file. We can call it back design, or we can call it background design. Okay. Oops, we did a mistake. We need to add a drawable resource file, not a new layout. So we need to delete it. So delete this one. And inside this drawable, we need to add a drawable resource file for our background design. So you can choose back design. You can call it background design. And change is selected to shape. And we need to add gradient. So gradient angle 45. And start color and int color. Now we need to choose color. So color, and we can choose this color. And this color. And I think we can choose this color, or we can modify it later. We choose this color and this color. Now we need to add background. So we can choose this background design. Alright. Now we need to add orientation vertical. And we need to add button, white match parent, and height wrap content. Layout margin 10 dp. And we need to add one more drawable resource. We can call it btn custom. And change it selected to shape. and we need to add gradient, and add angle, -45, add start color and int color, and we need to choose few color. You can choose this color, and choose this color, okay, copy this color and paste it here. I think we need to change it, and this color, and we need to add background. We can choose background design, alright, done. Now we need to add a text, call it click here, and text color is going to be color white, and I think we need to add text appearance. So text appearance medium, and we need to add ID. So ID btn click, and we can copy this button few more time, and we can see two button, and we need to change, we can change this button ID, and the reason is that we added linear layout orientation vertical, and that's why we can see one by one button. So this orientation vertical will give us vertically, and if we remove this, then we can see our one button is removed, and we can see orientation vertical, and now we can see two buttons. So if we need to add simultaneously few more button or few more text or anything, then we can use orientation vertical. And now create one more linear layout, white mask parent and height wrap content, and we need to choose height mask parent, and we need to add orientation horizontal here. I want to show you how linear layout orientation horizontal work. So again define few button, so layout white, you can choose 200 dp, I think 200 dp is huge, so we can choose 150 dp, and height is going to be wrap content, and layout margin 10 dp, and background is going to be drawable btn custom, And text, you can call it button 1, and text appearance is going to be text appearance medium, and text color and red color white, and button, you can copy it and paste it here and paste it here. So now we can see our button is horizontally. So we learned how can we design horizontally and how can we design vertically using linear layout. And we also learned, okay, if we can add this linear layout gravity center, if you add gravity center and add layout gravity center, and we need to add layout gravity center. So if we want to add its center for our linear layout horizontal, so layout gravity center, I think we need to add gravity center instead of layout gravity center. So add layout gravity center, and add gravity center. Now we can see data is in center. And we learn how can we design custom design using drawable inside drawable using drawable resource file. So this part is for only design section. Now run these apps. Hopefully we will see our output that we design here.